Sa simula ng pagpasok ni Kai sa bahay ni Kuya, malinaw ang kanyang naging pakay.
I'm here because other than wanting to be an artist, gusto ko ring mahanap yung biological parents ko. So I have no idea who they are, no idea.
At gaya ni Colette na minsay nangulila na sa pagmamahal ng tunay na ina, naantig na rin si Kai sa kanilang muling pagkikita.
I felt fulfilled for her. Kasi alam ko yung feeling na parang there's something you don't know about yourself. Pero the time will come po, Kuya. So, okay lang ako. Chill lang ako po, Kuya.
Habang nagpapahinga ang housemates, may isang kakaibang tunog silang narinig.
Red! Uy! May alien!
Look, ano yun?
Did you guys hear that?
May tatawag.
Rain at Jarren, pumasok kayo sa confession.
Ano yung narinig nyo sa labas? Paano? Ano yun?
Alarm clock?
Or time's up. Time's up is
Maybe. Ringtone. Are we getting a call, Kuya?
Not a call.
A message.
Tama.
Oh, a message.
Tama.
Oh.
A message, Kuya. Oh.
Ang narinig ninyo ay isang message notification. Pero ang message na ito ay gulo-gulo pa. At kaya ko kayo tinawag dito dahil gusto ko na i-figure out ninyo ang message na dumating sa bahay ko.
Kailangan ayusin at idikit sa whiteboard nila Ray na Jarren ang mga salitang nasa box para mabuo ang isang mensahe.
Hi, everything. Let's put the hi first. I think hi, Xing.
Hi, Shing, yeah.
Is this Kai's nickname?
Yeah, I told her.
How do you know?
She told me. I saw the word Shing, Kuya. Tapos, naisip ko po kaagad na baka this is about Kai.
Xing?
Yeah.
Why Xing?
Kay siya.
Kay
Hindi daw siya
Shing.
Shing.
Hi, Xing.
Nabuo po namin kaagad yung first message, Kuya. It was, Hi, Shing, how are you? Hope everything there is okay.
Ano nga kaya ang koneksyon ng
Is this about Kai?
I think so. Hi, Xing. How are you? Hope everything there is okay.
If this is about Kai, it will make sense. That's why it's you and me. Tapos sabi mo po, it's up to us, Kuya, kanino kami mag-say. Will we tell someone?
But me and Rain agreed that we shouldn't tell Kai before we get a full answer.
Brainstorm lang kami, Kuya. Pero ang nasa isip ko lang talaga si Kai.
We'll just be like, who calls you Shing?
I don't know where. That's just like Chica.
No, obviously.
Sort of.
Like, we'll talk about stuff and then we'll be like, oh,
So-
my family call me Jay.
That's Chica
Who-
in the white couch and she's gonna
join us. That's good. That's a good plan.
Let's just make sure that Kai's nickname is actually Xing. So we went out and we tried speaking to her without being too suspicious.
But now we're talking about family. Well, I was saying my family call me Jake. You already know that though, right? She was guessing my second name.
I got it.
My middle name.
Ano yung tawag ng family sa'yo?
Secret. Yes.
Does she know it?
Yeah.
Which, just tell me the two letters.
SH.
That's what it starts with.
SHI.
Bro, that's so basic.
Shia. Shiab. Shiak. Shiad. Shiag. Guess.
Only a 5-letter word.
What? I didn't say anything.
Shin.
Said it wrong.
Close.
Shin.
I thought we were on the same side.
I didn't say anything.
I'm out. I'm not tampo at you. I'm tampo at you.
Thank you. Wait, I'm gonna guess it. Shine.
I told you Shin was close.
Shing.
What?
Shing.
Spell.
SHING. It's right?
Yeah.
Shing?
Yeah.
Are you being for real?
I'm being for real.
Who calls you that?
My family.
mission success! Plus points sa pag-acting mo, Jarren.